This is Violet Comer-Weiland with your News in 90 for Monday, October 19th. Here's your first story. In Florida news, early voting begins in many counties today. Floridians lined up to vote in most of the state. While many counties began today, some counties will begin as late as Saturday. More than 3 million people are expected to vote early in Florida this year. Meanwhile, a record number of Americans are voting by mail due to the COVID-19 pandemic. A major factor of COVID-19 outbreaks in nursing homes may be due to asymptomatic transmission. That information, according to a new study from Brown University. The research looked over about 5,000 coronavirus cases across 20 states earlier this summer. Overall, 40% of the cases were asymptomatic. Nearly a fifth were pre-symptomatic, leaving only 40% of the cases symptomatic. Scientists say there should be universal testing in these facilities to identify and isolate cases. And in other COVID-19 news, the world witnessed a grim milestone today. According to Johns Hopkins University, the world surpassed 40 million coronavirus cases. A second wave of spiking cases hit Europe in August, following relaxation of national lockdowns implemented in the spring. European governments tried to contain these cases by placing restrictions on public life and the hospitality sector. This includes closure of pubs, bars, and restaurants, and restricting social gatherings or implementing curfews. In the U.S., daily new cases continue to rise in more than half of states. That's your News in 90. I'm Violet Comer-Weiland. Remember, your Florida news is always on at WUFT.org.